Yo, what's going on guys, this is the Ecom boss, and in today's video we're going to talk about if you should dropship high ticket products or if you should just stick to low ticket. So first of all, for you guys that don't know what a high ticket dropshipping product is, that basically means that you're selling a product that costs a lot of money. Let's just say if I were to sell a product for $100, I would probably consider that high ticket. But if you sell like $39, that's just a regular product, not high ticket honestly. But there are a lot of reasons to why I hate selling high ticket products, but there are a good factor on it as well, because when you sell high ticket product, you can make $300 profit, if not even more, from just one single product. So in this video I'm gonna bash on it. I'm gonna say why I hate high ticket, but I'm gonna also teach you guys, if you really want to run high ticket, I'm gonna teach you guys how to run high ticket, because I have the perfect strategy. But it requires a little bit of a different, not necessarily different budgeting. You gotta prioritize a little bit differently spending your money on Facebook ads. We'll get into all of that in a second. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Last video's free 30-minute consulting call giveaway winner is gonna be Tommy's vlogs and reviews. You can message me, my Instagram will be here. If you want to get into the coaching with me and John, we're changing a lot of lives. Had 5 people quitting their job already this year, making like a lot of money daily. If you want to get in, message me again on Instagram here. And without further ado, into the video we go. Before this video starts, smash the like. It will mean the whole world to me if you guys go down. Like likes is awesome. Also make sure you subscribe. And let's just start the video. Okay guys, so should you dropship high ticket items? Well, the first answer honestly is gonna be no. I do not recommend dropshipping high ticket products because of this factor. You guys have heard my scaling strategy. If you're not new, we're talking Facebook ads now, scaling. If you haven't heard this before, my scaling strategy is if you're gonna scale one of your ad sets, that means obviously one of your interests, but in theory though, if you're gonna scale one of your ad sets, running at $10 a day has to have 3 sales. What I mean is 3 sales in one ad set means it's time to scale the ad set. And if you're gonna get 3 sales in one ad set, this is super important guys. If you're gonna get 3 sales in one single ad set, your product can't be priced too high, because it's way harder getting 3 sales in one ad set if you sell a $90 product compared to a $20 product. Like let's just say I were to sell a product for $1, I'll probably get 10 sales in an ad set. If I sell a product that's worth like $50, I'll probably get 1 or 2. It's gonna be way harder to get 3 sales in an ad set. Basically guys, what I'm trying to teach you guys is you're gonna scale, you have to have 3 sales in one ad set, and if you're gonna get 3 sales in one ad set, it's gonna be hard when nobody can afford your product. So if you're running a high ticket product, this is short guys, this is the truth. If you're running a high ticket product, you have to run $20 or not, if not even $25 ad set. That means you already start scaling honestly vertical a little bit. So that's the thing guys, you run a product, let's just say it costs you $40 on your webpage, you obviously run $10 ads, but when you run like a $100 product, I will launch 7 ad sets running at $20 or $25 each, which is gonna be expensive. That's why I don't recommend high ticket dropshipping, because guys, being honest, of course I made this dropshipping work, I might have the capital or the money to invest into it, but for me as well, like spending $25 times 7 on a test, that's like a lot of money. I don't want to do it. So what I'm saying is like, yeah, high ticket can get you super high margins, which is good with it, and you don't have to get too many sales to make like 1 to 2k a day, but I've never really seen high ticket dropshipping being scaled to like 5k a day. However, the difference is if you make $1,000 in a day and you make 2 orders, you buy, let's just say the product costs $500, you sell it 2 times, that's $1,000 in total. You buy it for $90 and sell for $300, that's like a $210 profit margin straight away. But how profitable will that profit margin be when you're gonna spend $25 each ad set just to test it? That's the thing you guys gotta keep in mind. Yeah, you might say high ticket products is gonna be a higher profit margin, but have you guys thought about how much you're actually spending on Facebook even to get the margin, if there is even a margin, right? Spending way more, so obviously it's gonna be hard to make the sales. And the other thing is when we do CBOs, like I told you guys, in CBO you need like 3 to 5 ad sets with 7 sales in each. I know this might be a little advanced, but you need that, and that's gonna be hard with high tickets. Like what I'm trying to teach you guys, it's gonna be hard to get a lot of sales in an ad set with a high ticket product, because nobody can really afford it. No matter if you're running $20 budgets or 10, it's just gonna be easier with 20, but it's still gonna be super hard. Yeah, from what I've seen from some of my friends that find this like a little bit hard to scale a high ticket dropshipping item, is like you could, I'm not doing this, I would never do it, but you could judge it by, initiate checkouts and maybe even add to carts, because it's gonna be hard to judge it on purchase when almost nobody's gonna buy because it's super expensive. So you could try to get initiate checkouts, but the reason it's also hard is if you planning on making lookalikes, you have to have 100 sales to make lookalikes. You want to run purchase lookalikes, you have to have 600 sales. If not, you're not gonna run any purchase lookalikes. And 600 sales with a high ticket, dude, it's not worth it. Honestly, I know I'm just trashing on high ticket products, guys, but I don't think they're good at all. So when people that I coach, when they put in high ticket products, I usually just deny it. And this is the thing to keep in mind as well. This is just like print on demand. Should you do it? No, not if you haven't had a winner before. If you had a winner before, you can do print on demand because you know how to handle your ads. You know how to spend money on Facebook. And that's the thing. for a beginner, if you're watching this, I would just, let's just say a beginner is one that's never had a winning product, never made like 10k profit. I mean, he could be a little advanced if he made 5k, but not now. We're calling a beginner someone never made 10k profit. So if you never made a lot of profit from Facebook ads, you never had a winning product, like why are you gonna jump to the hardest challenge? Because getting your first winner on a low ticket product is also going to be hard. So if you're going to just face the biggest challenge straight from scratch, like you have a hard time finding a winning product, just selling a product for $29, how are you going to find a winning product selling it for $100 when it's even harder? That's the thing, you're a beginner, definitely avoid it. If you had a winning product in the past, you could consider running a high ticket product because you already experienced, you know how to run ads, you know how to handle money on Facebook, all of that stuff. But moral of the story, guys, you're a beginner, you should not run it. Same with print on demand. And honestly, I don't high ticket dropship myself. I'd rather just sell a high volume. Like I'd rather sell 200 products worth $24 than selling like 20 products worth 100. It's just myself. This thing, guys, this is your style. If you sell high ticket, you can sell like furniture. I have friends just selling tables, couches, and chairs, making 6 figures or if not even more monthly. But you gotta build sort of a brand, because this is gonna become like, you know, a huge furniture brand or something. Like usually, if it's high ticket, you sell like machines and stuff, maybe furniture, but that's basically it on the high ticket. If you guys found this video helpful, it helped you out in any sort of way, it cleared up your mind a little. Like I can't really give too many tips on it because it's not something I do, but definitely run $20 ad sets or more if you're gonna consider doing it. Keep in mind, it's going to be super hard to run high ticket products if you never had a winner before. If you don't know how to run ads, don't know how to handle money and everything when it comes to Facebook, don't do it. So if you found this video helpful, please smash a like down below. Please leave a comment, that will mean the world to me if you do both of those. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, you already know what to do. Go down, you see the red button, it says subscribe to the Ecom Boss so we can get 2,000 subscribers. You'll be seeing me in the next video.